Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Markup, creating Visualforce pages. Visualforce Markup can be freely mixed with HTML markup, CSS styles and JavaScript libraries, giving us considerable flexibility in how we could implement our application user interface. We can view, create and edit Visualforce pages several different ways in Salesforce. Visualforce pages can also be created and modified using Salesforce APIs, enabling a variety of external tools. Creating Visualforce pages. Visualforce pages are basic building blocks for application developers. A Visualforce page is similar to a standard web page but includes powerful features to access, display, and update the organization's data. Pages can be referenced and invoked via a unique URL just as they would be on a traditional web server. Use the developer console to create and edit Visualforce pages with access to other powerful Lightning platform development tools. The developer console has automatic syntax highlighting, tag pair matching, auto suggest, and autocomplete, smart indenting, and many other features aimed to making it useful for editing markup and code. It is the best built-in tool to use when we are working with Visualforce pages with custom controllers. Steps to create Visualforce page. Setup developer console. Step 1. Choose file. Step 2. Click new. Step 3. Select Visualforce. Step 4. Provide name. Step 5. Click OK. Let's see an example. Create a Visualforce page by the name Demo Visualforce. Display Hello World. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So to open the developer console, we need to click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. So we need to click on File, New, Apex Class, Apex Trigger, Visualforce Page. Click on this. Demo Visualforce. By this name we are going to create our first Visualforce page. Click OK. So by default it is giving Apex page and closing tag of Apex page. So in this we need to write hello world. So like HTML, as we are using h1 tag, here we are writing hello world. So in Visualforce page, Apex colon page, then h1 tag, closing h1 tag, and Apex page closing tag, and in h1 tag hello world is there. So save this, and to execute the Visualforce page we simply need to click on this preview button. Click on preview. Hello world we are seeing here. Then also we can apply all the CSS or JavaScript in the HTML itself here. Thank you.